Hey, what's up? It's Drew Bridewell, and y'all, I'm just really excited to walk you through the first walkthrough of the Next Level UX campus. This is all built inside of Roblox Studio, and I've been super excited to share this with all of you, and just wanted to give you a little bit behind the scenes of what we're trying to do here, along with the training program that we have, the digital training program, which is at nextlevelux.me. But what you're seeing here is just another virtual space where you can experience this on a whole nother level. So let's dive in and just take this for a peek. And again, what you're seeing right here again is that Next Level UX training map, and we have some fun things planned, like our first Inlux NFT drop, which will be dropping soon. And then we're going to talk about the 3 different training maps, and then we're going to do a nice little tour around the campus, which I'm really excited to show you all the things that we've been building and working towards. And this is a really exciting time. So let's first just start with, we're in the campus right now, and there I am. Let me see if you can't really see me, but here we go. And we're going to start with where it all kind of started, which is the main studio, the main working space. And the important thing here in this working space is that we're always trying to find our next level. And Next Level UX, that's what we're here to do. We're here to help you find that next level. And sometimes you just need a beautiful space to be able to do that. So we have workshops and things that we're working towards, and our other training spaces. So let's kind of take this on a nice spin. All right, let's go. We'll go back to that first thing. So the first thing that the second thing I wanted to show you is our first stage. And our first stage is kind of where you're going to be starting out and learning about just the program and what's going on here. You can come over here and take a nice seat. You can come up top and enjoy from the balcony up here, and just watch, enjoy, learning about programs, learning about the 12 categories of Next Level UX. Then after you finish the training, you can come over here and enjoy a nice drink, a nice hors d'oeuvre, a nice little meal, and then as we come around, just kind of keep going. And here you'll actually see another working space where you can come and show your work and do portfolio reviews, and then just talk about things that you're working on, post some of your work up here on the pin boards, and then show some of your other individual work, and you can take those to go. So these are just like little pin boards, more to screens. All right, so let's just keep going. So then what we have over here is the museum, where we get to talk about all the different training maps. So we have clarity, goals, action planning, practice, design energy, design clarity, design productivity, design impact, which is what we're talking about next month, purpose, influence and courage, tools, people and tactics, and then of course, on the very bottom, one of the most important things that we can do in our life is reflection, and understanding how reflection can lead to just some next level UX experiences, next level user experiences. So here's a look at training map number 1. We talk about this in each of the months. Here's a little look at training map number 2 and training map number 3. All right, cool. So you got to see the museum. Soon we'll have a store here where you can come in and purchase items. You can purchase UX playbooks. You can purchase other swag and other material. And then you can come in and go on tours for each of the categories, where you can come in and learn about, what's the framework and processes for learning about clarity and how do you build this. And then you'll go through, same thing for goals, understanding your passion, project, career, and personal goals, and then what you can do for the homework. And then we literally go through each of the months and give you a little training area and training space to learn about these things. And that's the 12 categories. But you know what? Next Level UX is also about having fun. So let me just take you on a little tour and show you some of our other workspaces. So I'll come around here, and you can come in and sit and again go through the first training map, pick up your UX playbooks in there, and then come through, see training map number 2, and then training map number 3. And inside this, our second, so you haven't named this one yet, but this is another really fun little workspace where you can design, have a little like lunch here in the kitchen, and then have a sit down and kind of go through, kind of your focus areas and start writing in, getting clarity and other things like that, which you'll be able to do in the UX playbook. Then, of course, swimming is super fun and important, so you can jump into the pool and hit up the hot tub, or go over and play a little game of volleyball, or sit by the campfire. And of course, soccer is always important. We love soccer. We love a little bouldering and rock climbing for our rock climb enthusiasts, and a little yoga for the stretching, because we always need to stretch stretch the body and the mind. So then, as we come through, you'll see our parkour gym, where you can jump in the pools, get on the trampoline, do a little parkour, and then when you're done, you can jump in the water or jump in the hot tub. Pretty fun stuff. But you know what? After all this training is done, what we really want to do is we want to be able to go to the theater, and we want to be able to see shows. We want to see some of the best speakers in the world show up and talk and give us some good talks about, things that can inspire us, things that we can be doing. And now I'm going to take you on a tour of the theater, of our new theater at Next Level UX. So let's dive right in. So we're going to come in. Once you get your tickets, you can come down the red carpet, come into the open gallery, and it looks like the doors are open, so we can just go ahead and take a tour. We have our main lobby, and then up here is where you'll see kind of where all the behind the scenes team of working put on the show, and then you have the theater. So let's just take a look at this. We have enough seating for about 700 people, and we could probably get more, but let's just actually dive right up on the stage so you can see how amazing this would feel, speaking up in front of all these people, getting a few hundred people in here just to learn about design, learn about UX, and it's going to be a really fun experience for them. But you know what? It's really nice to be able to go in front of the stage and see what's happening, but let's kind of walk in and see what's happening for our team, who is behind the scenes helping out and helping make these things an actual reality. So we got our team back in the back. You can come in and have a little lobby here for the couch and a little bit more relaxed, or you can come up the stairs and kind of get up in the balcony space. There we go. It's another good view right here. And that's our behind the scenes, but let's go even further behind the scenes, because, even behind all the shows, there's a lot of things happening behind the curtain. So let's kind of take a nice little tour behind the scenes. So we still have to move in here in the back, but we do have a full garage for, the bigger stages that we need to get and get people in here. Let me just give you a little tour around this. There we go. Because we've got some big trucks and big things coming in for the shows, especially when we want to have bands come in to play. And, we have our upstairs spaces and workspaces. And all these spaces will end up getting, furniture and other elements that we'll build, so you can see what's going on here. And we got the stage, more room, more areas, and a behind the scenes look at the Next Level UX area. And we do have a little stage area right before you go on to speak. You can just get reminded to do your best, and you got this, and then you can check the mirror and get ready for the show. And there we go, a little mirror action. And as we come around, so that is the theater. And we're just getting started over here at Next Level UX, and we're really excited to just bring this to the world, and to just bring next level user experiences to life, and just to really support those makers out there that are really striving to get to their next level. And we're building this in Roblox because it's incredibly speedy. It's that virtual world, and we're just really excited to bring this to you. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. And just as you might have noticed, there's 12 giant redwood forests in here. And these redwoods, the magical thing about these redwoods, there's 12 of them for each of the pillars. And this is something that we've been thinking about and planning for a long time, and I'm just really excited to bring it to you. So without further ado, just wanted to thank you all for checking out this little tour of the Next Level UX training library and the training system. And let's go. Let's get in here. Can't wait for y'all to get in here. So hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.